This video is about how I made 6 million naira from crypto investing $100 monthly. Now, what I'll be sharing in this video is the strategy I use to make this money. And the beautiful thing about this strategy is you can use it across so many other coins. So it's not just one specific coin. Any other coin would work perfectly with this strategy. Before I show you how this strategy works, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And let's start with how this strategy works. To use this strategy, you're going to use a simple website known as moniq.money/DCA calculator. So this website is actually built by me, and there's a lot more you can do with this website, but today we just want to focus on the DCA calculator. Now, basically, first thing you're going to do is to select a coin of your choice. So the coin I did this with was with Solana. And what was the investment amount? I was investing $100 monthly. So the frequency is monthly. So what was the duration? I started that back in 2021, and I'm just going to drag this to 2021, to 5 years ago, which is approximately 2021. Now, what you can see is this actually calculated the total amount I invested, the ROI I got, and all of that. Now, if you look very well here, I've invested a total of $6,100 into Solana just with this strategy. And right now, the current ROI is $10,500, and that's because Solana is down. Because if you look down here, you would see at some point this money was worth over $27,000, which you can see right there. The portfolio, you can see it was worth $27,000, but it actually fluctuates based on how the market is performing. Now, to break it down further, you can come down to this investment breakdown, and this is the price of Solana as at that day and the price I actually bought it and what it gave me. So you can see it right here. So April 14, 2021, Solana was $26, and I bought $100, which gave me around 3.7 Solana. So you can see the next time I bought it, and as the price of Solana keeps increasing, you can see the value I actually bought actually went down. And this is how I came up with this result. So when I took profit, it was way at the top, way over $20,000. So this simple strategy of investing $100 monthly, which I would have basically used to spend on things that are not very important, but I just channeled it into this, and it gave me this result. Now, this money might look very small, especially to some of you that have made crazy money. But one thing I need you to realize is I only did this investing $100 monthly. Now imagine when I start doing $1,000 monthly, that would have made me at the peak $278,000 just in 5 years. And imagine if this is for a longer time. So if this was for 6 years, you can see right here, I would have, with that same $100 invested, I would have made over $88,000 just by investing $7,300. And even at the peak of it, this would have been $244,000 just by investing $7,300. So the important thing about this is you need to be long-term centric if you want to achieve this. You can see 5 years gave us lesser number, but see what 6 years did. And if we're targeting cheap and lesser years, it wouldn't have given us good result, but see what 5-6 years did. I'm not saying it's going to be 5 years like for all coins. I mean, but there are some other coins like in 1 year they did crazily well. I'm going to give an example with Zcash, which is one coin that did very well recently. So if I had done that with Zcash with that same amount, you can see right here I would be sitting at $46,000 in 5 years, and at the top of it that would be around $75,000. And even if I did 1 year, you can see I've invested just $1,300 in 3 months, and in 1 year and 1 month, and that would have made me over $6,800. And that's because Zcash has performed very well in the past 1 year. So it doesn't have to be 5 years, 10 years for you to make these insane returns. But one thing to understand is it has to be part of your plan if you really want to be successful with this. So if I'm doing that with Bitcoin, same amount, same period of time, in 10 years, you can see I would have achieved $212,000, right? And at the top of it would have been around $335,000. So you might be curious, which specific coin should you use to do this particular thing? So for me, I would recommend you use highly proven coins that have been here in the past and have stood the test of time. Example is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, XRP. These are like the key ones that are very well recommended. there's risk attached to other ones below that, but you can play around with other ones here like Hyperliquid, Asta. I mean, I like Hyperliquid a lot. Asta, and many other ones you can see right here. Another ones I also consider as a very good ones to invest in long term is tokens owned by centralized exchanges. So example is Bybit. Bybit owns a token called MNT. To show you that, let's go to the chart. And if you look at MNT right here, you can see in 2025, MNT moved up by over 400% in 2025, where we had most of the coins that did not do well. And that also applies for OKB, which is the coin owned by OKX. OKB in 2025 moved up by over 460 something percent. You can also check out BGB, which is owned by BitGet. So BitGet, from the lows back sometime in 2024, you can see it went up by 600 and something percent. So all of these coins performed really well, even in the period when the crypto market was really down. And that is why I'm actually thinking of them long term, because one thing I've come to realize is these exchanges are buying their token and they are actually burning the tokens, so which drives a lot of value to the token, because the more you buy and burn, the lesser the supply, and that actually impacts in the token. So you can play around with these three I've mentioned, and any of these other ones: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana. These are the proven ones. And Hyperliquid, which is relatively new, but you can still play around with it, and some of the ones. I'm not saying this is the financial advice. What I would advise is go ahead and do a lot of research by yourself before looking out for anyone to invest in long term. Now, the final thing I'm going to talk about is how can you automate this so you don't have to come on the 14th to always buy. Rather, you could just set that up once and for all, and it would execute automatically without you being online. To do that, I'm going to use a platform known as Bybit. So you guys know Bybit, it is a very popular platform. All right, so if you want to do that, if you don't have a Bybit account, you can use my link in the description to sign up right away. So to do that, you come over to Bybit once you've created an account, and you go to more and select trading bots. So over here you can see different options, but what we're interested in is this here, which you can see right here. So I'm going to click on this here, and this shows you, it brings you to this section here where you can pick the cryptocurrency of your choice. So this is Bitcoin, but you can choose any other one here you want, and you can play around with as many as, it's not just one coin, you can do like 5 coins. So let's say I want to do MNT, I'll just select it, and now we have 2 coins that we would be doing this. So what is the amount you want to invest in for this one? So let's say I'm doing $100 in for Bitcoin, and I'm doing $100 for MNT. How often do you want to do it? That's the investment frequency. So I'm going to do 4 weeks, which represents 1 month, and you need to have your money in your funding account right here. So you can see I don't have up to that amount in my funding account, but what this is going to do is it would keep buying for me every 4 weeks. It will automatically buy for me once I've created this year, but to automatically buy these tokens for me. So I need to have the money in my wallet, the USDT, which is 200 USDT in my wallet. So I could have more than that, and to just automatically debit it from my wallet every single month and buy these tokens. All right, so with flexible savings, what this is going to do is these tokens is automatically going to stake it for me on Bybit, and I would be earning rewards just by staking it. So let me show you the rewards you earn. So aside from investing in the token and then the token going up, you're also earning from the staking this token on the platform, which you can withdraw anytime you want. So let me take you to flexible savings, and let's see the amount you are going to earn from it. So if I go to Bybit Earn and click on Easy Earn, so right here, just by staking my token, my BTC, you can see I would be earning somewhere around 1.3%, which is not very high. And MNT is just somewhere around 1.5%. But I mean, imagine when you compound this for the next 5 years or 3 years, depending on your investment thesis and how long you want to hold this particular token. Yeah, it's going to add up to what we have. But I mean, it's not so much, but it's just going to add up. And sometimes these figures are flexible, meaning they can go up to 2%, 3%, depending, and then sometimes it can come down. So the major thing is you're just earning passive income alongside the money you are actually investing in that token over the long time. So it's actually a win-win for you. So this is basically how the strategy works and how you can implement it. I'm going to leave all links in the description if you want to check out these platforms, especially for moniq.money. You can go over to the website and check it out and use it right away, and use it to do your research and analysis, and start doing this right away if you find this very helpful. So thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to making much more videos like this, and check out my previous videos where I talked about how you can also make money using other strategies, not just crypto, stocks, treasury bonds, and S&P 500 and the rest of them. You can check out the previous video to find out more about that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.